We built a Bluetooth speaker. It has great sound, an incredible battery life, and a sturdy casing. But every Bluetooth speaker has these things today, so we added some bright lighting. Maybe for your nightly beach parties, right? And because nobody wants to take a seat on hard concrete or in wet grass, we even built in super nicely comfortable chairs. So now there's nothing left in the way to chill out with your friends at the Rhine. Or any river you want, only one problem left. How on earth do I transport this huge thing? Well, just roll it. And because all these features together aren't really lightweight, we built in a last small feature. An electric engine.